Oh, flamingos.
And journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for all our feathered friends across the world. So speaking of feathered friends, I'm pretty sure you saw them running across the stage, right? Well, those were our bantam chickens. And with that, everyone, we have one more chicken joining us this morning. So everyone, keep your eyes up at their heart. Let us welcome Chucky, our male bantam rooster. Do you see him? No? Oh, there he is! There you go! Good job, Chucky, well done! Now, many of you might think that chickens, they cannot fly, but Chucky here, he has proven otherwise. Okay, alright Chucky, you know your way back home. So right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on palm trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So if you look right up there, we have some fruits and nuts attached to the tree. And with that, everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome the birds. There you go, look at that. Here comes the first one. That is Gaia, our high sea macaw. Two more friends will be joining him from way up there. Once again, we have Ferrari and Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Now, macaws like them, they can be found in jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, Gaia here is one of the 3 blue macaw species that you can find in the world. If you would like to see them, do visit the parrot paradise. So right after feasting, these birds will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk. And this would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like Lambo is still right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his next stop. And there you go, we have more birds joining us. Now birds, they gather food for their young during nesting season. This morning we will have a competition and they will need supporters. So people on this side, you will support Cocky, our scarlet macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands and shout his name. Just like this, Cocky, 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 So that's good. Now the rest of you on this side, you will support Barry, our great wing macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name. Barry, Barry. Equally good as well, birds to the table. So birds, they gather food in tree hollows, just like this one right here. There you go. Okay, so we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, so supporters ready? Birds are ready, let's go! You are not satisfied. excuses, Mitra says. So what do you want?
One more game.
He wants one more game. Can we have one more? Yes. Let's all give Corky here a second chance, okay? So we have 4 fruits for Corky, 4 fruits for Mary. Okay, so Corky supporters, come on guys, you have to cheer louder. Ready, go! Attention right up there, and they might just pick you, okay? Don't wave your hands at me. I'm not taking volunteers for these segments. So on my left we have Aza. In the center we have Diana. Now toucans, they love to nest in trees. So in the morning, both male and female, they will look for food to feed their chicks. So the birds, they will be flying really low above some of your heads. I need your cooperation to please do not reach out or do not stand up and try to touch them, okay? This is for your safety and the safety of our birds as well, okay? So for those of you standing up, I need everyone to remain seated. Thank you very much. And looks like our first volunteer is in position. Everyone keep your eyes at that heart. Aha, look at that, I see one already. Now by the way, we have 2 of them this lovely morning. Now these are total toucans. They are the largest in the toucan family. So look at the size of their beaks, everyone. Now despite the size, their beaks are very lightweight and hollow, and they can even catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping, okay? So to demonstrate just that, Aza will be throwing 2 pieces of fruit way up high. Let us see if the toucans can catch them, okay? Once again, please sit down. Thank you very much. Okay? Alright, let's just give Aza some time right there, okay? Alright, Aza, you ready? Okay. Alright. Okay, 1. No? Okay, yes, please sit down, everyone. Thank you very much. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Catch! Okay, one more time. Let's all count together, okay? Everyone ready? Okay, Aza ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Catch by our total toucans. So it's actually very lucky for us to see these birds up close, but their numbers in the wild, they are declining due to poaching and deforestation. So we can all help these beautiful birds by supporting your local conservation efforts, okay? So let me try to get them back on my hand. There you go. Now by the way, these 2 birds, they are Mr. and Mrs. Axel, a husband and wife team, okay? So Mr. Axel, would you like to join your wife and me right here? Come on, quickly. There you go, good job. Hey! Okay, so it's time for these 2 birds to head back home, and they are very loyal to one another. So I'm going to place them on the stump right there, okay? Alright, there you go, guys. Okay, Mrs. Axel, can you please lead the way? All the way back home, please. Come on. Mr. Axel, you follow. Quickly, your wife is gonna lock you out. Hurry up. There you go. Total toucans, everyone. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. Now the yellow-named Amazon parrot right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? Alright, so let's start with some shall we? How about a nice hello? There you go. Very nice to say hello. Can you tell them your name? One more time, what's your name? Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? A very polite bird indeed. Now, not only that, Amigo here is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10! Good job! Oh my Asa. Now Asa here has kindly brought out Big John, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now he is a veteran here at the bird show, and did you know that John is over 50 years old? Yes. Okay, John, would you like to say something? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. No? Let's try this one last time. Say hello. Okay. He's not going to say hello. It's okay. We're going to continue with Amigo. Now, you heard him count in English earlier, right? This time, he's going to count in Chinese. Right there. Big John. You want to try again? Okay, this time say hello. Hello. See, whenever I put a microphone here, he doesn't say a word. Okay, can you hear that? Okay, he's really very loud, as you can see. Okay, he does not even need a microphone. Okay. All right. You want to say something else? How about the laugh? Haha. Laugh. The cough. 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 No? Okay. How about the chicken? 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 No? Okay. As I mentioned earlier, Big John here is over 50 years old, and through the years, he has only managed to pick up 5 units. So that's the hello, the laugh, the cough, the chicken, and bye-bye. And one thing about parents like Big John here is they love to scream their heads off as well. You heard him earlier on. He can be very loud, okay? You can actually disturb your neighbors and even your sleep, okay? Big John, can you please stay right here? Be quiet, okay? So that Amigo can continue with the rest of the things that he has to do, okay? Okay, keep quiet, okay? Alright, okay. So Amigo here also loves to sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages, okay? So the first song is a local children's song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? There you go! Caroline was going by Amigo. Big John, keep quiet. Shh. Can you please keep quiet? Yes? Okay, very good. Okay, we're gonna continue with Amigo, okay? Alright, now the second song originated from John. Okay, one more time you scream, we're gonna send you back home, okay? So please keep quiet, okay? Alright, so the next song, as I mentioned, okay, originated from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang. Okay, I don't think we can continue the show with Big John screaming like this. Okay, maybe someone can come out and bring Big John back. Oh, hi, Asa. Yes, he's really loud, okay? He doesn't even need a microphone. Bye, John. See you later. Thanks, Asa. Okay, so let's move back to Amigo. Let me continue what I was saying earlier. So he can sing another song as well. Okay, this song originated from Indonesia, and it's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Okay, this time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang?
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat lunas
Hey! Wasn't that a chirpy song? Now the last song is in English, but before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today. Raise your hands if it's your birthday. Let's start from the people right here, the section right here. Birthdays? Nobody? How about the middle section? Birthday. Okay, we have one right there, the young lady in gray. Anybody else? Two? One, two, where? Okay. Oh, on the other side? Okay, three. Okay, so we have one, two, three. Anyone else? How about the last section? Four. Okay, so 4 to 5. So 4 to 5 of you. I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Amigos, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the one of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Amigo here is 1 in a million, and it takes lots of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. Now, imagine the disappointment pet owners would face if they were to end up with a parrot like Big John, who is either very quiet or extremely loud. Okay, so it's time for Amigo here to head back home. But before that, Amigo, what must you say?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There you go. Well done, Amigo. Our yellow named Amazon parrot. Now let me emphasize once again that these birds, they are very, very hard to upkeep, and they are also known to live as long as you and I. So please do think twice, if not even thrice, before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now the next two birds coming out, they're going to show all of you just how loving hornbills can be. And let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Good morning, Vicky. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky, they are one of the largest found in this region. So when the female wants to nest, they will look for holes and cavities in trees, and right up there is our nest box, which is similar to what we give the hornbills right here in the bird park. Okay, so I will be coming really close to you. Please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? So once again, during this act, I need everyone to remain seated at all times. All right, Vicky, are you ready? Okay, can you go check your nest box out? Come on, nest box is right there. There you go. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Can you hop along now? Hop to your right. Okay, there you go. Look at a very cute hop. So what she's doing right now is she's inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Slowly inspecting the interior, and in she goes. So once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. So the hole, it will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Vicky, you can seal the nest now. Look at that. Vicky, where are you? There she is. Everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. So this is what happens in the wild. The male will feed the female, and this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successful in breeding the Oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation funds, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Oh, hi Saad, you here to call Sunny down? Okay, Sunny, Saad is waiting. Oh, look at that. Oh no, we missed two. Let's try this one more time, okay? And there you go, hornbills, everyone.
Hornbill, yeah, hornbills.
Very nice music. Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. So if you'd like to volunteer, raise up your hands, get the trainers' attention right up there, and they might just pick you. Okay, so shortly we will be joined by macaws, I mean. Now look at their wings as they fly past you. This allows them to swoop through branches and trees in the rainforest of South America. So on my hand, I have Vega, the scarlet macaw. In a very short while, we will be joined by Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw. Now, unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now, we can all help these beautiful birds by practicing the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and most importantly, let's all help replant our destroyed rainforest, okay? So once again, during this act, if you're not holding on to the hoop, please remain seated at all times. So I need the lady with her children to take their seats. Yes, quickly take your seats, please. Thank you very much. Okay, so with my friend Mitra, we have Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, okay? Alright, so whenever Kaya is ready, she can take off first.
Wow.
Of course, Vega.
Wow, superb.
There you go, beautiful flight by Kaya and Vega, everyone. Now we need 3 more volunteers, 3 more. So with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers, and really sharp eyesight. This helps them when they are flying through the dense vegetation of the rainforest. So this time, Kaya and Vega, they will be flying from 2 different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other's flight path somewhere in that center customized hoop, okay? Alright, so volunteers, you gotta keep your hoop straight and steady. Alright, some final adjustments for our center volunteer right there. Okay, Durga, I think your hoop has to be a bit lower. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Alright, so Kaya, is Kaya ready? Okay, ready, go! Vega. Now as you can see, Vega here is still on my hand because see, we buy, so let's all make the right choice and make a difference today. Well, looks like we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage, so let's get started.
Lots of birds. I use cool birds here.
First up to Africa, we have the great white pelicans. Next up to Eastern Europe, we have 4 Dalmatian pelicans. Come over here, guys, come on. Now back to Africa. Our birds with their sexy long legs, our greater flamingos. And finally, all the way from South America, our colorful macaws from up there and there. And with that, everyone, we have come to the end of the show. Can we give our finale birds a round of applause? Alright, so with that, we have come to the end. Now you are more than welcome to come down and take pictures of our beautiful birds that we have right here on stage while we usher them back home, okay? Now, by the way, in a very short while, we will be having our flamingo photography. So if you are interested, please stay on for that. And we also have plush toys. My colleague up there is selling them at a special price, only here at Pools Amphitheatre. So do check them out later. Now, finally,